So we start off today's video with this hair color transformation. Wow, gorgeous rosy tone pixie. This is absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video is going to feature a variety of amazing haircuts, styles, and transformations. So if you have been needing a new hairstyle, looking for some new ways to shake things up, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button in order to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a bob haircut transformation. Oh, this is by two of my favorite stylists, Philip Wolf and Alfredo Lewis. They are so good at cut and coloring the hair. It's absolutely unreal. Wow. Beautiful blonde bob. And then we see another bob haircut here. Stylist is also adding in some bangs, very French girl style bob with this one. Yeah, definitely French girl style vibes. I love the texture that the stylist created. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, so then we see someone with red hair. So it looks like she's going to be cutting the hair into more like a mohawk style. Hopefully she does keep the color because I am in love with that hue. Wow. This is so rocker chic. I love the color, obviously, and the cut just really adds some drama. Next up, we have another cut and color transformation. She ended up going with ash blonde and this beautiful pixie style. And then we have this gorgeous ginger faded cut. That color looks amazing on her. And then we see another hair transformation. So she starts off with shoulder length blonde hair and ended up getting this chic bob with a pop of color underneath. I believe that color is more of like a rosy tone. This is an absolutely gorgeous cut and color combo. Wow, absolutely stunning red bob. Oh, so we had someone who decided to go platinum. Very nice. And the hairstyle is more of like a mixie, a baby mullet variation for those who are wondering what the cut is. Then we have a very chic lob style. Oh, wow. Gorgeous rose gold bob. Rose gold or baby pink, absolutely stunning. Well, it looks like she actually has a different color in the front. So yeah, definitely more like rose gold and baby pink. Really pretty color. Then we see a very nice rosy pixie cut. Followed by an ash blonde platinum bob. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me and you were able to get some hair inspiration from today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave that like and of course hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see even more hot hairstyles, you can check out this video next.